Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a dotted border to a shape in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now I'll add dotted border to this shape. First select Tools option. Now scroll down. Here you will find this comment option. Select. Now click on your shape and select. Now click right button for Properties and select Appearance option. There is showing no border. Firstly I'll add border, a solid border. I'll increase the border thickness, and here you will find this dotted border option. Select. Also you can change this border color and increase this border, see this, and select OK. And also change this border and make it dotted border. Select this color option and also select gear option and open Properties dialog box and select a style. Choose a dotted border and see this, and finally select OK. Also you can change border color you like, this one, and fill color choose and see this, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.